Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see from behind me, me and Kate bought our dream car, so cue the montage. Now back to us picking up the car.
Why? Put that thing down. Good morning.
Pretty. So what are we going to get today?
We're gonna go get our new car.
Alright, first pole. Let's see what we got here. Well open highway. It's fast. Kate's gonna be pissed. Shift, which you put it over, and once you touch the paddles, that was only like 230 horsepower. All of it. Do a launch up here. I haven't launched this yet. And also, do you hear it? Time to be passenger, princess. I know, I'm sorry. This one's the opposite. Oh my god, it's too close.
We have the opposite problems. You're too tall and I'm too short.
And then you go one more down, it's eco. I don't like eco mode. It puts in like...
It's comfort just standard.
Comfort standard.
Hey. I need my little windows. Seat warmers are on.
You know, they're nice. Holy fuck, that's back there.
I know.
I didn't realize that.
I always wanted
But the seat's so far up, it's normal for anyone else, but...
Actually, this is perfect for a short person. It sits right where I want it to. Okay.
Alright, don't adjust them to the point they break, just make it work.
Sorry. Alright.
So hold down the side.
I know how to do it.
Okay. Now you're in drive.
Yes, I know. Directly into where you want.
Go turn around up here. In that turnaround.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Let's do a U.
Yeah, just do you.
That sounds a little muffled.
I'll show you the muffler deletes in the trunk. It should make it so small.
It's very smooth.
You can't do that with a truck.
I know.
Alright guys, to close this video off, we are going to end it with a walk around, do an absolute deep dive into the car. Well, first I got to open everything up. Boom, that's better. So starting up front at the engine bay, obviously you see a lot of carbon fiber parts. This car has the whole complete Dinan S3 kit with the bigger factory turbo and a tune from Dinan. Has this nice carbon fiber, would you call it, like intake pipe, cold air intake kind of, with that and the nice in performance M235 motor. Kind of stepping back, you can see it's got a little bit of a bigger intercooler on it, but you can see I literally just washed it. But coming over to the interior, here is a rather dirty car, but I've had it for almost a month now and have put some serious miles on this car to the tune of, let's see if I can get a number here, 63,000. I bought this at 61. So almost 2,000 miles on it in under a month. Obviously there's a couple scratches here, little bumps and bruises that I'm getting a quote for to do some PDR and get an opinion on this, because it is a deep scratch. But honestly, I'm really considering wrapping this car satin just because all the other BMWs are, and it looks great. But going back to the trunk, the seats drop down, which makes it very, very easy for Maggie, as you've seen in the video, and easy to clean it. ECT, tons of room, tons of room. Move that seat back. Nothing crazy in the interior. This is a great example of what a sports car should be. Let's step back and go look at the exhaust. This car has a muffler delete, so that would be considered the only really mod of the car.
So also, if you haven't noticed, there is no sunroof on this car. So between the rarity of the S3 Dinan package, there's the sticker right there, and the no sunroof, this thing was literally more than a M2, and it had more horsepower. So I think definitely future plans are gonna be getting rid of this bumper, because it's kind of, I mean, it's not perfect. Getting a M2 kind of aftermarket bumper, aftermarket hood. The wheels are fine. I love these wheels. And the blue brake calipers.
Now let's start it up and do a test drive, because I really haven't done that yet with it. Not a cold start, but mind you, this is a daily. It's definitely in the wrong setting for this, but I'm gonna put it in sports mode. And try to get some exhaust burbles for you guys. Had to turn the lock on here. Pothole 1, that's insane. Yeah, they ain't got no driving that. My seatbelt on here. it has the Michelin, I'll do a walk around in the car, but it has the Michelin 4P tires on it, and they pick up every rock. But regardless, let's see. Gotta wait for one car. So quick. Just look how fast I caught up to that car. I will say, it does sound like my N54, kind of a lot, but I love that exhaust on it. It's a very nice exhaust. Back into a manual mode here. I'll give it one more pull around the straightaway. So the first time the bus and the BMW have met, I haven't been up to Muskegon in a minute, so we're gonna check on the good bus here. Hopefully I don't get soaked going back in there. Trolley. They got some new cars while I was out. One knows how to get in it. Besides me. Put this thing here and monkey on up. Jesus, I got it. Everything looks to be intact, which is nice. So nice in here, I will not lie. I mean, it is so clean. I just want to take it on a trip and enjoy it. But yeah, definitely needs some new batteries and she'll be ready to rip, and a new steer tire. Always good to check in on the old girl. Terrible gutters, but this thing's held up through some good rainstorms. Good roof on it. What about this patch job here? Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Hope you find this car as interesting as I do, and I honestly can't wait to make more videos on it.